When my business started, it was very small. My annual sales were under 50,000 a year, but I was spending more time with my children who were very young then. I had an in-home workroom, installed everything myself, and worked when the kids were asleep or at school.
So what does it mean to build a better business? This is our tagline, right? We teach you the tangible ways to build a better business, but what we mean and what we want for you as a better business is a business that supports what you want.
The first thing that made the greatest impact in my business and my life was the 7-step sales process. Each year, my sales grew incrementally. Since then, I have not had a year where my sales have gone backwards. They have increased every single year since I became part of the Exciting Windows Network.
It's a business that supports your lifestyle. So if that lifestyle is 2 kids and a dog, and you want to go to work at 9 and come home at 5 and be with the family by the pool, great. If that lifestyle is you and a partner and you're running the globe and doing celebrity window treatments, clients, and it's go, 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 great. The idea is that we hope that one of the things that we'll do with you and for you is help you figure out what it means to build a better business for you. And then through those tangibles, we're going to help you do it.